Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling screen time because iOS does not offer per-app locks directly. This is the reliable, built-in method. First, open Settings right arrow Screen Time, turn it on, and create a screen time passcode. Make it different from your unlock passcode so others can't change limits. Once done, pick the apps you want to control. This step sets the protection boundary. Make sure screen time is active and that you know the passcode before proceeding to create limits. You now create the actual lock using an app limit. Go to Screen Time, right arrow App Limits, right arrow Add Limit. Select the app or category exactly. Pick individual apps if you need precision. Set the daily time to 1 minute, this acts as the trigger, and toggle on block at end of limit. Once the minute expires, iOS prompts for the screen time passcode to continue, effectively locking that app. Repeat for each app you want locked and verify the timers are active. Finish by testing every locked app. Open it, use it for a minute, and confirm iOS requires the screen time code to keep using it. If you share the device, make sure family sharing settings don't allow overrides. Change the passcode if needed. If a limit fails to apply, restart the iPhone, toggle screen time off and back on, then re-enter limits. This resolves sync glitches. That troubleshooting tip fixes most issues. Otherwise, reset screen time, passcode from settings if you're locked out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.